beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Kelsey here, and I'm here with another makeup look for you. So today I'm creating a quick, easy, simple holiday look, perfect for the holidays. And if you need to get out, get on the go, get to one of your holiday parties, I got you with a simple and easy and quick holiday look. So keep watching to see how I created this beautiful and cute look. First Christmas look on this channel. Let's just get into it. I'm using the ColourPop main squeeze palettes, and I'm also using the Smoke Show palette from ColourPop as well. I believe it's called Blowing Smoke now. I'm going to be doing like an eye fade, and then we're going to add some colorful liner. This is from Glam Blaze. This is in the shade Bandana, and then this is from Bella Noy Collection with 2 N's now. This is in the shade Green Tea. The Milk Makeup. This is the Rip Eyeliner. I just coat my eye like this quick. And then I take my finger, my ring finger, and just... I'm starting out by applying the Like It's Hot shade to the outer corner of the eye, making a red base for the eye look, and then I'm going in the darkest shade in this palette and the outer corner to add some definition to the look. And then I'm going in with the light pink shade of the palette, and we're just going to add some blending, make it all look seamless. And of course we're adding some white. I wanted a dark to light look, so here's the white. Of course we have to pack it on because the white is very hard to show, so I'm just packing them on as much as I possibly can, as you can see here. Now we're using the light pink just to blend the white out a little bit, and then once again going back in with the dark shade to add some more definition. Now I'm going in with that green eyeliner that I showed you before, the Bella Noy Collection, and we're just applying some liner. I'm using the Kelsey Beauty liner brush for this detailing, and I am just making everything look seamless and perfect, and adding a little line to the corner of the eyelid. And now I'm just going in with the red and adding little polka dots, so that way they look like holly berries on a wreath. As you can see, I thought it was a nice little cute detailing, and definitely made a perfect touch to this Christmassy look. I think it looks perfect, and yeah, really pretty. And now I'm going in and adding a Christmas tree. I already did the green base. Now I'm just using and adding some darker green, so that way it looks more like a Christmas tree. And yeah, I'm making a point, adding leaves, and now I'm adding the beautiful golden star on the top. And yeah, very pretty, and obviously this was hard to do. Stars are hard to do, but now I'm adding the wreath on to the tree with red. All these are from Kelsey Beauty. Keep those liners in mind. Finishing up the liner here. Now I'm fixing up the tree, giving it some final touches, adding some little red ornaments to the tree. Now I'm adding the trunk to the tree, because obviously with a tree you need a tree trunk, so we're adding that now, making it look great for the tree. And next, we're going to go in and add the tree skirt, the golden tree skirt. I thought it looked nice to have it match the top of the tree, the star. Going in and doing the under eye with that red color that we started out originally, and we're just tapping it on the under eye or the waterline, and blending her out like so. And then I'm going in with the light pink that we used earlier, and just using that in the corner of the eye. Now I'm just going in and finalizing and brightening up the white one last time before I am completely finished with this look. And now I'm adding some silver, making it look gorgeous for a pop of glitter. And of course we're using the Rare Beauty Lip Souffle lip in the shade, I believe, Inspire, and it's a perfect Christmas holiday shade. I love it. And this is the final look of the day. I hope you love this Christmassy look. I love it. I think it's absolutely perfect for the holidays. Super quick, super easy. So if you're looking for a quick and easy holiday look, I got you. And I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because this is a brand new channel and I would love it if you would show some support. And yeah, this is the up close eye look in case you wanted to see a better look at this beautiful Christmas look. So that is all I have for you guys today. Keep being awesome, keep being beautiful, and keep being you. Kelsey signing off.